Alright, we got CSX eastbound train coming down the line. We are at Lake Avenue in Blasdell, New York. Before we get to this video, I want to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe on turn post notifications, and let's get some trains right now. I'm only here for the CSX 1836 Heritage Unit, so hopefully we can catch this today. So, what do you have for this train right here? Symbol on that train is CSX IO10. The IO10 originates from Chicago, Illinois at Bedford Park. Heads east to Port Newark, New Jersey, will terminate on this Thursday, April 4th, 2024 by burning the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Alright, we got a Buffalo and Pittsburgh train down the line. Here comes the switcher, but I don't even know the symbol because, like, right now I just came out of Blasdell and it's heading back to Lackawanna. One engine, huh? So it just came out of nowhere. It just snuck up on me, man. Like, I didn't even notice. Just snuck up on me. Nice horse show, huh? Not gonna lie, that train just snuck up in front of me, man. Lucky you were able to catch this train, man. CSX train, I don't know. Holy. No, it's just the bridge. I'm good. Alright, this is the end of the BMP train, so on to the next train clip. Roll it. Alright, we got a CSX westbound train down the line. This is my third train of the day. And the gates are going down. So what do we have for the train right here, guys? symbol on that train is CSX M367. Oh my god, it's so cool, guys. The 367 originates from Selkirk, New York, heads west to Chicago, Illinois terminates at the clearing yard. On to the next train clip. Roll it. Alright, we got a CSX Eastbound train coming down the line. This is my fourth train of the day, I think. Yeah, this is my fourth train so far. So what do we got for this train here? This should be it. God, if I miss that train, I'll get pissed. If I miss that train right here, so. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? DBU, alright! 1836, alright! RF&P, alright! Wow! Are you freaking kidding me, guys? It's my fifth CSX Heritage, alright. Good thing I didn't curse a little bit in that video a little bit. Wow. We caught RF&P, alright. Okay, I thought it should be in Terminal 1 shortly. Okay, there's no reason for it. It's going slow, huh? Holy shit! We got a train coming. Whoa, shit! Alright. Oh, I can't see the power, but it's fine. Wow, keep my nerve, but when I go home, I'm gonna check the powers and I'm gonna put them in the description. So it's fine. At least cut the 1836 Heritage unit. Wow! There's the CSX I double weight. Symbol on that manifest is CSX M566. The 566 originates from Chicago, Illinois at the Barr yard, heads east to Selkirk, New York, returns. Now it's slowing down. Wow. Wow. What a good video so far. Bro, it just came out of nowhere. I didn't even expect the I double eight to cut down the line. Someone that's train is CSX I-888, which originates east to North Bergan, New Jersey, or terminates from Rosalie, Illinois. And this is going to be my last train that we're going to catch in this video. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos. But we're in the Railfanning on YouTube.